proudly present BoINN, all the way from Ireland.
We feel strange to try and follow that act that was just on. It was one of the most amazing acts we've ever seen. And the culture here is beautiful and amazing. And this is a traditional Irish song about kissing. Thank you. So we're going to do a few traditional Irish dance tunes now. And we're going to start off with Fikra on the uilleann pipes.
Gurmila Magav. I'm going to sing a traditional Irish song now. And when I sing, Quiva, who is also my cousin, is going to Shannos dance. So Shannos dance is the old style of Irish dancing. And it was banned years ago by the church in Ireland, and people could not dance in public places or play music or sing or dance or anything like that. So people used to do it in their houses in secret, and they used to take down their front doors off their house and put it on the ground and dance on it so they could hear the noise. So we took one of the doors off the green room backstage, and we have it here. So Quiva's going to dance for us, and we're going to play a tune called The Hair Fell Off of Me Coconut after.
Also, this is a song about a woman trying to make a man marry her.
Oh, yeah. That's what I'm trying to do to him. Oh, when will we be married, me decent Irish lad? No sooner than tomorrow, I think it'll not be bad. Can we be married no sooner, me decent Irish lad? Do you want to be married this morning? Oh, woman, I think you're mad. And who will we have at the wedding, me decent Irish lad? If we had fathers and mothers, I think it'll not be bad. Can we have no one better, me decent Irish lad? Do you want a whole congregation? Oh, woman, I think you're mad. And what will we have for the dinner, me decent Irish lad? If we had pretties and herring, I think it'll not be bad. Can we have nothing better, me decent Irish lad? Do you want to have bullocks and heifers? Oh, woman, I think you're mad. Irish lad, a pallet just on the corner, I think it'll not be bad. Can we not have a featherhead, me decent Irish lad? Do you want to smother your husband? Oh, woman, I think you're mad. And when will we have children, me decent Irish lad? As soon as God allows us, I think it'll not be bad. Can we have them no sooner, me decent Irish lad? Do you want to have them this moment? Oh, woman, I think you're mad. We're very grateful and thankful to be here. And Kaimid Buikas Over Hort Godi, Kevin Kelly, August Ambassador Naheran, August Winter Nagaland. We'd like to give a big, huge thanks to Kevin Kelly, the Ambassador of Ireland, and the Embassy of Ireland for inviting us over here, and to all of you, the people of Nagaland, for having us. We're so inspired, and we think we are quite similar in our love for the music and culture and dance and singing. So we can't wait to meet you later and over the next 2 days to try and sing some songs and play some tunes.
We can't get across how much we feel inspired by all the music and singing we've seen by the people in Nagaland today. It's amazing, and it reminds us of Ireland. We feel like Nagaland and Ireland are related culturally, and Yeah. The pride in the culture is great, and we love to see it. So we're going to play some more Irish dance tunes here. We're going to play 3 jigs.
I also know we don't need to tell you because there's loads of people dancing, but Irish music is made to be danced to. So we're going to play some jigs, and we want to see everybody dancing. Whoa! 1, 2, 3,
We're going to finish with one more song. We'll be back on Wednesday for a longer show. But this is a song about an Irish immigrant taking a journey across Ireland to leave and work in England. So obviously there's lots of Irish people emigrated to leave poverty behind and to find a better life. But he ends up getting in a fight at the end of the song, and this is a song about that anyway, so you can see it. It's called The Rocky Road to Dublin. Oh, in the merry month of May, from my home I started, left the girls of Tuam, and nearly broken hearted saluted father dear, kissed my darling mother, drank a pint of beer, me grievance swole to smother, and after eat the corn, leave where I was born, cut a step back torn, me banished ghost and goblin brand, a pair of brogues to rattle me o'er the box, I'll frighten all the dogs on the rocky road to Dublin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold the hair and turn her down the rocky road, and all the ways to Dublin whack for lally-da. In Mullingar that night I was diddlim so weary, started by daylight, next morning bright and airy, took a drop of the pure to keep me heart from sinking. There's the paddy's cure, and airy on for thinking they hear the lassie smile, laughing all the while at my curious style would set your heart a bubbling. Asked me was I hired, wages I required. I was almost tired of the rocky road to Dublin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hunt the hare and turn her down the rocky road and all the ways to Dublin. What the lally-da. In Dublin next to ride the truck. It's such a pity to be so soon deprived of you in that fine city. Then I took a stroll up the quality pond and litmus fall, and in the neat locality something crossed me mind. When I looked behind, no bundle could I find upon a wobble inquiring after the road. They said me Connacht Road. It wasn't much in vogue on the rocky road to Dublin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up the hill, down the rocky road, and all the way to Dublin. What the lally-la. From there I got away, my spirit never failing, landed on the quay just as the ship was sailing. Captain at me roared, said, Lauren Paddy, when I jumped aboard, a cabin fell for Paddy, went down among the pigs, made some hearty rigs, they done some hearty chicks, the water ran me bubbling when the Paddy had. I wish herself was there, I bet the Paddy's there, for the rocky road to Dublin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the hill, down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin. Like the lally-la. The boys at Liverpool, and when me safely landed, called myself a fool. I could no longer stand it, blood began to boil. The temper I was losing, poor Ireland's eye. Oh, they began abusing her army soldiers, actually the gale of life. The glory boys were flying, so I went a hobbling with the reverie, joining the affray, quickly paved the way for the rocky road to Dublin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the hill, turning down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin. Like the lally-la. On the hill, turning down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin. Like the lally-la. Thank you very much. We'll see you on Wednesday.
You're Morgan.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was BoINN. Please give them a big round of applause.